Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to lose bloat and water weight fast. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Most people often complain about bloating, while some exercises, supplements, and massages can help reduce bloating quickly, and simple lifestyle changes can prevent it from recurring. According to many studies, bloating is usually caused by the accumulation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract or fluid retention in the abdominal area. It causes the abdomen to become larger than usual and a feeling of tightness or pain in the abdominal area. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 ways to get rid of bloating. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Quick remedies are not always effective for some causes of bloating. At the same time, some lifestyle changes can eliminate the causes of bloating and eliminate bloating over time. The following simple steps can be taken to prevent bloating in the long run. Number 10. Increasing fiber intake. Eating more fiber helps prevent constipation and bloating. The recommended daily intake of fiber is 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men, while most people do not consume this amount. But it should be noted that excessive fiber consumption can lead to a further increase in gas and bloating. Also, daily consumption of more than 70 grams of fiber can have side effects. When you start to increase fiber intake, it is better to start this increase slowly and reach the recommended level within a few weeks so that the body has the opportunity to adapt to this change in diet. Number 9. Replacing water with carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks contain gases that can accumulate in the stomach. Carbon dioxide in soft drinks and other carbonated beverages can cause bloating. Artificial sugars and sweeteners in the diet can also cause flatulence. It helps solve this problem and treat constipation by replacing drinking water with these types of drinks. Number 8. Avoid chewing gum. The sugar in chewing gum also causes bloating. Swallowing air while chewing gum can also cause bloating and pain. Mint or ginger mint pills can be used to freshen the mouth instead of chewing gum. Number 7. More daily activity. Regular exercise helps your body become more comfortable by regulating bowel movements and defecating feces and gas from the intestines. Exercise also helps reduce the accumulation of excess water in the body by excreting excess sodium through sweating. It should be noted that before and after exercise, drink enough water to maintain body water because dehydration can exacerbate constipation. Number 6. Intervals between meals. Many people get bloated after eating a large meal. You can prevent this problem by eating more meals but in smaller volumes by maintaining movement in the digestive system. Eating food too fast also causes air to enter the digestive tract. This also happens by drinking through a straw, which leads to gas and bloating. To prevent bloating, avoid drinking through the straws and try to eat slowly. Number 5. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the intestines. Taking probiotic supplements can help regulate and balance the types of bacteria in the colon that cause gas and bloating. Number 4. Reduce salt intake. Excess sodium causes water to accumulate in the body, leading to swelling and bloating in the abdomen and other parts of the body, such as the hands and feet. Reduce your salt intake to prevent bloating. Number 3. Treatment of various diseases. In some cases, bloating is caused by another disease, and to eliminate bloating, you must first treat this disease. Inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and irritable bowel syndrome cause bloating. Some gynecological diseases such as endometriosis and ovarian cysts can cause pain, swelling, and bloating in the abdomen. People with these symptoms should talk to a specialist doctor and let them know if they have any family history. There are a variety of diagnostic tests for each of these conditions, including X-rays, ultrasound, colonoscopy, or blood tests. Number 2. Diet registration. Food intolerance causes bloating in many cases by overproduction of gas. Bloating is common in people who are lactose intolerant and unable to digest the lactose in dairy products. The autoimmune problem of gluten intolerance, also known as celiac disease, is another type of food intolerance. Tracking and recording the foods and beverages consumed in a few weeks helps determine the foods that cause bloating. Consumed foods and bloating can be recorded in a notebook for several weeks. Number 1. Consider supplements. Some supplements, such as iron supplements, cause constipation and other symptoms of indigestion, which can increase bloating. On the other hand, potassium can reduce bloating by helping to balance the body's sodium levels. Some medications can also cause side effects that impact the function of the gastrointestinal tract or cause indigestion. In this case, the doctor can replace the previous drugs with drugs that are more compatible with the gastrointestinal tract. Although uncommon bloating and inflammation of the abdomen can sometimes be a sign of a serious illness, including liver disease, inflammatory bowel disease, heart failure, kidney problems, and some cancers. It can also be a health problem that requires medical attention if bloating persists for days or weeks. Consult a specialist if the bloating persists for some time and does not go away over time. It is also important to see a doctor if bloating causes changes in appetite or nutritional problems, diarrhea, vomiting, weight loss, fever, severe abdominal pain, bright red blood in the stool, or discoloration of the stool to black or dark brown. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.